Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are back into the green this morning. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.63%, S&P 500 futures up 0.72%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.76%. Shares of Vir Biotechnology are up after the company revealed positive data for their COVID-19 antibody treatment. The commercial stage immunology company said that in a preclinical study, data demonstrated that sotrovimab, the investigational neutralizing monoclonal antibody, and 5 other preclinical mAbs retained their in vitro neutralizing activity against all tested variants, including Omicron. Notably, the company has developed the antibody along with GlaxoSmithKline. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 58%. UBS Group is planning on shutting down its investment banking center in India. UBS is a multinational investment bank and financial service company. Bloomberg reports that the Swiss bank is contemplating moving its investment banking coverage in India offshore. While the changes are expected to affect the investment banking operations, UBS remains committed to its business in India. Consequently, it plans to maintain a significant presence in the region. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 22%. SiriusXM announced that it is partnered up with Discovery Plus to offer a wide variety of content from both companies. With this new partnership, existing as well as new subscribers to SiriusXM's Platinum VIP plan will have the opportunity to activate a complimentary 12-month subscription to Discovery Plus. Additionally, SiriusXM will be offering special promotions that give eligible existing and new subscribers to some of their other plans a complimentary 3-month subscription to Discovery Plus. The SiriusXM stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 15%. Home improvement retailer Lowe's initiated fiscal 2022 guidance and announced a new share buyback program. Lowe's reiterated its full year 2021 total sales forecast of $95 billion, which represents 33% comparable sales growth on a 2-year stack basis. For the full year fiscal 2022, the company initiated a total sales forecast to fall between $94 and $97 billion. This was compared to consensus estimates of $97.6. Based on the company's continued growth trajectory and cash flow generation capabilities, the company's board authorized a new $13 billion share buyback program. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 7.7%. And Accenture revealed that it plans on acquiring AFD Tech, a network services company. The financial terms of the deal have been kept under wraps. The intended acquisition is expected to be complementary to Accenture's cloud-first capabilities. Further, AFD Tech's addition to Accenture's portfolio is likely to result in serving its customers more efficiently. And on that note, we'll be moving over to notable earnings reports. And we'll be starting off with Accenture, who just reported their earnings this morning. Their total revenues came in at $15 billion, which was an increase of 27%. Earnings per share came in at $2.78, which was a 28% increase and ahead of analyst estimates of $2.64. They also had share repurchases of $845 million and paid dividends of $613 million. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 2.5%, though most price targets are about 3 months old, so I'm sure we'll see many reiterate following this earnings. Also in the pre-market this morning, we're waiting to hear from Adobe and Jabil, and in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Steelcase and Innovative Incorporated. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Calliditas Therapeutics after the FDA announced approval of its kidney disease therapy. Trading under the ticker CALT, their stock is currently up 37%. They're followed by Cakeson Auto Holdings under the ticker KXIN. Their stock is up over 23% after they announced intention orders for 10,000 electric vehicles. And Evofem Biosciences under the ticker EVFM, their stock is also up over 23% after they announced a collaboration to develop a product with Orion Biotechnology. Our biggest losers this morning are led by IronNet following their Q3 earnings and revised outlook. Trading under the ticker IRNT, their stock is currently down over 25%. They're followed by Danimer Scientific under the ticker DNMR. Their stock is down nearly 12% after proposing $175 million of convertible notes. And Syndax Pharmaceuticals under the ticker SNDX, their stock is down over 10% following a $75 million public offering. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.